What is up all? Today we're going to be taking a look at this right here. See it right there? The Sansisco A21. It's just one of these little indoor mini drones. Now, at the end of this video, you're going to see the outdoor flight. It didn't perform that well outside, but you know what? It's not made for outside. I tried to take it out there and fly it around a little bit, but yeah, it's an indoor quad, and it's a little mini drone. Let's get it out of here and check it out. All right, there's what you get inside the box. You get the transmitter, and you get the quadcopter itself. You get a manual, and you get a charger, and you get 3 batteries. And the batteries are 180 milliamp hour. So you will be able to get, you know, I'm figuring each one of these to do like 5 minutes. So you got like 15 minutes of flight time going out there and flying it, because you got the three batteries. And this takes 2 AAA batteries to go in here. That has that screw on there. You know, I had to leave it on there to close it, keep it closed. So you have to use the dastardly screw. Okay, you don't have a choice. That doesn't come with it. That's mine. But anyway, so let's just turn it around and fly it around in here, you know, and see how it performs. Here's the on and off button right here. So you would turn that on and all the lights will come on. Turn on the transmitter. That'll bind up. I think it binds up automatically, to be honest. There's the level calibration is down and to the right. And down and in turns on the motors. There's the 3rd rate right there. There's the flips. So it's got, I got the 3rd rate on. There's a little spinorama thing that it does. So we'll set this a little bit lower so you can see it. So you hit this little button over here on the top left. I mean, you press in the stick, I'm sorry. And it just does those little rotations. So the light, you'll see the light right there, or I'm sorry, the red lights are in the back. The blue lights are in the front. Just so you know your orientation for that. Here's your trim buttons. It's drifting a little bit that way. Okay, I got it worked out there. You see that? Okay, so that's fine. And then the flips are on that. Whoa, come on down. Okay, so after I did that flip, it darted up to the ceiling there. You saw that, and then it just hovered up there. So you hit this little button here, and that'll land it for you. And it'll take it off for you too. So let's try that again with that flip. So the flip is on the right stick. Okay, so that was just a little freaky thing there. Okay, so that wasn't like some commonplace thing. So yeah, it's fine. Indoors, it's fine. We'll ride the battery out here. Okay, so it did that darting off of the, coming out of the flip. So it did that again, running up to the ceiling. So I'm not exactly sure why it's doing that, but be careful if you're outside doing that, because it may go forever. It may never come back. So you got a flyaway chance there. The altitude hold barometer on here is not that good, because you see it keeps going down by itself. You have to constantly keep bringing it back up. So it's almost like it don't have altitude hold, okay? So it's almost like it don't, because you have to constantly be working the stick. As you see, it keeps losing altitude. Okay, so there goes the... So it ran up to the ceiling again. Hey, now listen, I'm going to tell you what right now, guys. Be careful with this thing outside, man. It took off on me in here 3 times. Okay, so yeah, you want to be a little bit careful flying this outside. Anyway, you know, hey, it's a little indoor flyer. And you get 3 batteries, and, you know, it's got a few issues, but you know what, that might be just this one. I mean, who knows, you know, they might not all be like that. It may be just this one that likes to take off like that. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. All right, guys, we're out here with the Sansisco A21. Now this is another indoor flyer here, but I'm going to take it out here and fly it around just to see how it acts out here. It's very little, slight breeze. There, we level calibrated it. Let's take off. Okay, we got the 3rd rate going. Oh yeah, goes pretty good. Like I said, this is an indoor toy here, okay? So you're not going to really get really good performance outside with it, because it's really made for inside. You know, where there's no wind or no elements. We'll put the timer in there and see how the battery goes, how long that lasts. Yeah, it seems to fly fine. There's the auto land. I wanted to see if that worked, and it does. There's the headless. There's the flip button. That was a little erratic. No, it doesn't. Okay. So I think I might have been actually getting out of the range there, and then it started to lose the bind on it. So, like I said, it's an indoor quad, so we'll fly it around in the house and see how it is, but do another level calibration on it, hit that auto takeoff. There's the headless mode, which yeah, it seems to fly fine. It's just that it's, you know, just not going to be one of them toys you can take out here and get too far away from you, because it's going to lose the bind. I think the battery is getting weak, possibly. Yes, it's really not liking this breeze. You see it fighting that, right? It's fighting this breeze, and this breeze is extremely light. I'm talking like 2 miles an hour or something like that, okay? So I don't want it to fly away like that Holy Stone just did. But that thing, I think, just had some kind of quirk in it. Well, the battery seems to be lasting for a while. But as you guys can see, there's a flip on the ground. So it worked. As you can see, the wind is very much affecting this performance. I guarantee you, once I fly this thing inside, it'll be completely different. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right, so there, I'll put the timer in, but that's outside in this little breeze. But yeah, I mean, it's free, and let's see how it goes inside. Okay, we'll fly it inside and we'll see how it rolls.
That's all, folks.